Hello, good morning. I'm changing my vibration, raising it by running around my neighborhood, beautiful lake. Sometimes you gotta change your atmosphere so you could have a shift eternally, and it will help you raise your vibration. As you can see, me running and stuff like that. Sometimes you have to just handle it, get out there, make things shift, and just don't get outside your head and feel with your soul and your heart. Yeah, they're cutting grass in the yard. But let me tell you, if you believe in yourself, all things can happen on that, because part of feeling good is mind, body, and spirit. And so you got to make some attempts to meditate. And my meditation is running, working out, conscious meditation, and much, much more. So today, make it a yes day. As my friend once told me, a yes day. I like that. And I see other people just raising their vibration on a holler. So say hello to all you guys. Sending you love, peace, and prosperity. Get out there and do something for yourself. Amanda Simon, have a wonderful and blessed day.